How does Pringles make those perfectly stacked, never crumbled chips? Join us as we uncover the mind-blowing secrets inside one of their massive factories. With that iconic can and unbeatable crunch, you won't believe what goes into every bite. Hit subscribe and let's dive in. Welcome to the crispy world of Pringles. From their unique can to that addictive crunch, these chips are a global snack sensation. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see how Pringles transforms humble potatoes into your favorite treat. Ready? Let's go back to 1968. In 1968, engineer Alexander Liepa invented Pringles for Procter & Gamble in the USA. Launched nationwide, they became a snack icon, loved for their stackable shape and bold flavors. Today, Pringles are a top pick across the globe. But how are they made? Let's find out. Inside a bustling Pringles factory, 650 workers keep the production line humming 24/7. It all starts with the star ingredient, potatoes. Special trucks deliver top-quality spuds, chosen for their perfect size, smooth skin, and zero defects. Fun fact, Americans eat about 11 kilograms of potatoes yearly. Before hitting the production line, potatoes go through a rigorous sorting and washing process. Giant machines with broom-like brushes scrub away dirt, while workers hand-inspect each spud, tossing out any duds. Only the best make the cut for Pringles. The approved potatoes get another deep clean in massive water towers to ensure they're spotless. These shiny spuds are now ready for the magic that turns them into crispy chips. It's a process that's all about precision. Next, the potatoes are peeled and washed again for ultimate cleanliness. To create stackable chips, a mix of 1/3 water, 2/3 potato, and a touch of cornstarch is blended into a dough. This dough is spread into thin sheets on a conveyor belt, then pressed into perfect ovals. These oval sheets are flash fried in 200 degrees Celsius oil for just 11 seconds, giving Pringles their signature crunch. A blast of air removes excess oil, and a machine shapes each chip into that iconic curved saddle design. It's like chip artistry. Ever counted the chips in a Pringles can? Drop your guess in the comments. The fried chips glide along conveyors to the seasoning stage, where Pringles' magic happens. Unlike regular chips, Pringles are seasoned on one side using a seasoning waterfall for bold flavor. How do you eat your Pringles? Top side for max flavor or bottom side? With over 25 flavors in the USA and 318,000 flavor combos worldwide, there's a Pringles for everyone. After seasoning, chips are inspected, stacked, and packed into those iconic cans. Pringles powers over 100 trucks daily to ship cans worldwide, delivering crunch to millions. But there's a catch. Their metal, cardboard, and plastic cans are tough to recycle. Kellogg's, Pringles' owner, is testing fully recyclable cans to go greener. Thanks for joining us on this crunchy journey through the Pringles factory. Love the tech and secrets we uncovered? Smash that like button, share with friends, and comment. What's your favorite Pringles flavor? Subscribe for more epic factory tours.